Hey everybody, welcome back to the Business Broker Academy channel. Sean and Josh here for another walkthrough video of VerticaCRM. We're going to be sitting down today talking all about deals and the deal flow and how you can use this tool to streamline your closings. So Josh, take it away.
Hello, everybody. So today we're going to talk about deals. One of the magic words that I like to use all the time is the word integration. Everything that we do has an out-of-the-box approach to getting deals done within our technology platform. We've discussed document signing, we've discussed data room, we've discussed email marketing, um, integration with your website, all of these different tools that we have that compete with all the other major service providers out there on the field. But what we've done is we've taken all of these basic tools that all business brokers need to use, and we've integrated the various different components to work with each other. And one of the things that we've done is created a separate deals module that automatically creates a new deal within the system upon you consummating a deal by changing a deal or a listing, say, from active, which means actively being pursued by buyers, changing the sales stage from active to letter of intent. So if you take a look quickly on the dashboard, we have a widget called active deals within the system. You can monitor everything that happens either on a global perspective from all the deals in your company or each of one of your individual deals as an individual broker. So if I were to go ahead, I can click on the link over here to bring us to one of the deals, or I can go to the dashboard and click on the deals module and open up all of the what we would call a deal or an opportunity. And you notice those very same two deals are created. And I want to stress something. We have very powerful automation tools built into the system that can customize and design how you want to run your company's business methodology. So when I said before that I can create a deal within the system by automatically changing a sales stage from, say, active to letter of intent, that's just one way of looking at the multiple myriad of different ways that we can create and customize the way you run your business so that you can get deals done the way you feel it's best created efficiently. So let's take a look at Roberto's Italian Pizzeria. And remember, this deal was just created by a broker or the admin within your system, changing the buyer listing from active to letter of intent. Automatically, it shows up here with all the information that you need to quarterback the deal. So you've got all the various different fields of data that would be related to a deal. And of course, you can always add in additional fields. Let's go ahead and click on the full edit mode to show you all the different fields that you have available to within the default template. You have the asking price or the negotiated price, and then the down payment, cash at closing, the commission, the expected commission, and the date, the expected closing date. You have information that you can add in through a relationship field. Let's say let's create a let's go ahead and put in a buyer's name there. Let's choose Susan Flanders again, right? And let's choose various different names of various different fields by looking up and creating a relationship between the buyer record and the seller. And keep in mind that all these fields would be automatically filled out if we have that workflow designated. We have all the seller information, the lease information, and any other information that you need to have all on one page to see what's going on with this deal. Information that's not necessarily going to be by the buyer record, not necessarily going to be by the seller listing or the data room record. And when I told you before that the system integrates all the different tools, what I was specifically was referring to is we have a very powerful data room, which will be another video that will go into in depth on how the data room works. But based on inquiries, based on time, based on the amount of effort and the amount of relationships between one record or another, all that will get recorded in the deal record. So you have everything that you need about this particular deal right here on one page, and you don't even need to create it yourself. It's all these fields are populated automatically. Once you finish that, you hit save, and then you can graduate from the contact record or the listing record and have an information about, let's say we've got Susan Flanders, the buyer, who made an offer on Roberto's Italian Pizzeria, and now you have all the information with all the various different tabs, comments, notes, pipeline, for example, of what's going on this deal. So in a previous video, we discussed how the sales process stages work and the pipeline. So right now, we've got the letter of intent has been signed, and now Susan, the buyer, is in the process of doing due diligence. And when she finishes due diligence and the contract could be signed, or even better, she closes, or even better than closing, the commission is paid. All this, every single piece is tracked and logged. And if we're to go now to the sales process stage, which was, of course, a different video that we looked at, the various different sales process stages. In the previous video, we looked at the buyer stage. Let's go take a look at the deal stage now. And you're going to see a column. So in other words, what you're going to see here is the power of integration with all the various different tools built into the system. And from the deal record itself, you can manage everything. And what you're going to see here with the integrated process or project management tools that we have within the CRM, you can see a visual a representation of everything that happens within the system. And of course, you'll be able to go ahead and look at all of the deals and all of the various different sales process stages that we have in the sales process module. That's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.